Hi guys, and welcome back to Tech Anorak. So I've got today for you the camera review of the Motorola Edge 20 Pro. So I thought the best way to do this would be to put it up against the best phone that I own, which is the Oneplus Nord 2. So I'm going to compare both phones with the same shot and see which one comes out on top and where this sits. But my OnePlus Nord 2, it actually beat in my test by Google Pixel 4a, which is a really good camera phone. So, I've got high hopes for it against this, but, you be the judge, guys. You tell me who you think wins, but here we go. Here's the comparison.
Okay, so before we get into the comparison with the Nord 2, here's a zoom test. So that was 0%, this is 2%, that's 5%, 10%, and I think that's about 20%, and I think I've zoomed out there, so probably about 50. So here's a comparison, guys. So it's always going to be the Motorola phone first, and then the Nord 2. I think the Nord 2 wins, but you be the judge, guys. Okay guys, so there's some video tests in a moment, and they're all the Motorola Edge 20 Pro, not the Nord, so here we go. This is a 4K vlogging test on the Edge 20 Pro, so we'll check what the 4K 30 is like, the quality, the stabilization, what the microphone's like. Yeah, the cameras are nice on this, we'll see how it comes up, guys. So this is a full HD vlogging test on the Edge 20 Pro, so we'll just test if the stabilization is any better at full HD. In the preview it looks like it is on the screen, it's not bouncing about as much as in 4K. I suspect 4K might not be stabilized, but we'll see in post. We'll judge both against each other, guys. Okay, here's my favourite mode on any phone. I love dual capture mode on cameras. I've got it on my Nord 2, so it's always cool because you can show people that you're vlogging, you can film your face, but obviously you can film what's in front of you. Oh, we had a big storm as well, guys. Look at this, my poor little girl's house. I need to rebuild the roof, but yeah, just not a chance, but we'll get there. So yeah, again, let's see what the quality's like, guys, but looks good to me. So here's a slow-mo video. It's 1080p, 120 frames per second. It's really cool. So this one's slower, it's full HD again, but 240 frames per second. Okay, so we'll just finish off with some night shots now, but the night mode on the Nord 2 is amazing. It's better than the Pixels from what I've seen as well. But yeah, look at this Motorola, it's just really blurred and quite dark, but the Nord, look at it, it's just like daylight. But yeah, unfortunately, with the night shots and the day shots, the Motorola's got great hardware. It's got a 108 megapixel main lens, but the autofocus isn't very good, and I think the software processing that, you know, processes the images and stacks them afterwards, it's not on par with the OnePlus or, you know, the Pixels of this world and the iPhones. So just some feedback for Moto. You know, I think they really need to work on that software processing and definitely the autofocus, because I saw a lot of blurry stuff, like look at those leaves there on the big tree, and then boom, Nord, you can pick out all the leaves. But yeah, it's not a bad camera at all. You know, it's better than a lot I've tested. I think the Nord's just very good, but I might be biased, it's my phone. So let me know in the comments, guys. And thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Tech Anorak out. Have a good week. Take care.